Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
So the job is inside there. I just went there with the lorry. I gave him the paperwork. He told me if I can back and then reverse it, it might be a lot easier than trying to get in and get stuck in the mud. So at the minute I'm trying to reverse somewhere where I can't see very well. So trying to pack this vehicle. Because there is nowhere how to turn it around, so I'll just need to turn it the other way around and reverse all the way. This is all I need to do. I don't have any idea how to do it, because here is that stulp, bollard, how you call it, post. Yeah, we in Romania say stulp, so that's a stulp. Yeah, okay, maybe I'll try to back this in here, put this type of light so they will understand I'm in construction as well. We got Speedy Gonzalez. Got the stulp in the back of the vehicle. I'll manage to do it somehow, don't worry. Rob is here. Rob is having the situation under control. Just to take few more maneuvers, because the street here is just for skateboard, not for cars, not for lorries. Where are we going now? You want to go somewhere, don't you? Exactly when I need the space, exactly then is someone that needs the same space. That one guy is a lot smarter because he went on the other side. You understand that I need to back the vehicle. So I don't think I can record anything because I need to wear my helmet. So I will apologize, guys. Probably this is as much as I can offer you. Just a reverse in a tight situation. Come on. Come on. go and do the unload. Strong. That's for you as well. Just fixing screws. The mesh is quite heavy.
Plastic on it. Plastic come off.
Yeah. Sorry mate, I forgot about it. And the other one as well.
Let's get a bit of tension on it, so it's like... Whoa.
Yeah? No, still needs a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Oh, look at this. This is fucking epic. Epic, mate. Wow. Amazing. I'm just gonna stay here because I don't want that to fall in my head, honestly.
Drive forward.
Yeah?
We're in the building here.
In the building, yeah? Nice one. Yeah, you only need this side, but yeah, up to you guys. Just be careful, because it's, I've done it once and it's quite painful. Okay. Oh, I just finished this job. It's been loads of work here, so didn't have enough battery to record the last part of it. All of us done manual handling there, so all of us done manual handling there, and we just took it